नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी टीचिंग की बात की गई है। केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 2 हिंडन में इस तरफ हमारा प्रयास ये है कि एनसीईआरटी के पाठ्यक्रम के पाठों को जोड़ करके एक मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी लेसन तैयार किया जाए। ये संभव हो पाया टीम टीचिंग से। टीम टीचिंग में इसके बारे में मैंने रीजनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन मैसूर में पढ़ा था। हमारे शिक्षकों ने स्वतः ही पाठ्यक्रम का अनुसंधान किया और उसके बाद अपनी टीम तैयार की। कभी ऐसा भी हुआ कि दान का हिसाब, जो कि हिंदी का पाठ है, उसे पढ़ाने के लिए हिंदी शिक्षक ने गणित शिक्षक के साथ टीम तैयार की, या फिर पहली कक्षा में अंग्रेजी में आफ्टर द बाथ एक लेसन है तो अंग्रेजी की शिक्षिका ने ईवीएस की शिक्षिका के साथ टीम तैयार की तथा पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी भी साथ साथ पढ़ाया। इन पाठों को और रोचक बनाने के लिए हमने म्यूजिक, आर्ट एजुकेशन, इनके साथ भी इन पाठों का समावेश किया और कक्षा एक समावेशी कक्षा में परिवर्तित हो गई, जिसमें कि हर छात्र की रुचि के अनुसार कुछ न कुछ उपलब्ध था। अगर हिंदी का पाठ चल रहा है तो उसमें गणित भी था, उसमें कला भी थी। अगर अंग्रेजी का पाठ चल रहा है तो उसमें ईवीएस भी था, उसमें म्यूजिक भी था। इस तरह हमारा ये कार्य पूरा हुआ। मैं मुख्य अध्यापिका वंदना दीक्षित को इस कार्य को समयबद्ध पूर्ण करने के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। साथ ही मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 2 हिंडन के सभी शिक्षकों को बधाई देती हूँ, जिन्होंने अनुसंधान करके, लेसन प्लान डेवलप करके और बच्चों के साथ पढ़ा करके इस कार्य को पूरा किया और बच्चों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा। और मैं उन सभी बच्चों को बधाई देती हूँ कि नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के इस प्रोजेक्ट में उन सभी ने हिस्सा लिया। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, children. How are you all? You must have a wonderful weekend yesterday, because yesterday was Sunday. So, where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday?
Market.
Yes, market. But in which vehicle? Car. But we have to stop. I also went yesterday, but we have to stop for some time. Let me see. Where? Let me show you a video.
Twinkle, twinkle.
You must have seen the traffic light. How many colors are there in this?
There's 3 colors.
Yes, 3 colors. Can you name some? Can you name all these colors? Can you name them?
Red,
Yes.
Yellow,
Red,
yellow,
and
green.
Today we will read a story. We will enjoy a story based on colors. So you have to identify the name of chapter.
Ma'am, इधर से करो मैम, इधर से एरो से, इधर एरो से। बैक लो, बैक।
Yes. Let's see the story. Can you guess what is the story about? The story is about hen and chick. Can you guess what is the story about?
Hen.
Yes, the story is about hen
And chickens.
chicks. So, let's see what is the name of the story. The name of the story is Lalu and Pilu. So let's read and enjoy this story. We also have a mother hen, Lalu and Pilu. Let's read this story now. Once there was a hen. She has 2 chicks. As you can see their colors, you can tell their names also. One is Lalu and other one is Pilu. Lalu was red in color, as you can see. So what does he like? He liked yellow things, red things. And what is the another one? Pilu was yellow. And what did he like? He liked yellow things. We have Pilu also, and he liked yellow things. One day, Lalu saw something on a plant, and that thing was red. So, can you see this red thing? Can you imagine? Can you guess what is this? Yes, it was a chili, and he ate it up. So, what happens when you eat chili or red chili or green chili? Because it's very spicy. Let's see what happens to Lalu now. Oh no! It was a red chili. It was very hot. And what happened when we eat chili things, spicy things? Lalu's mouth starts burning. And he screamed. Then what happened? When Lalu screamed, who came? Mother hen came running. And who came with him? Her Pilu also came. And what did he say? He said, I will get something for you. So, can you guess? What did Pilu brought? Pilu bring? Pilu brought a yellow laddu. And what did Lalu do? He didn't see the color. He gobbled it up. He ate it in one go. And when we eat sweet things, what happens? That his mouth stops burning. So, the mother hen and Lalu, since Lalu's mouth stopped burning, mother hen and Lalu kissed the younger one. So this is our story. Did you enjoy it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Now see. Now you must can identify what is this? This chili. And chilies are very hot and spicy. And we should not eat too much of spicy food because mouth starts burning. Can you tell me how was Pilu? Pilu was very good. Why it was very good?
Because he helped.
Yes, because he was helpful. He helped his brother Lalu. So, let's answer some questions now from this text. Name the chicks in the story. Name of the chicks are Lalu and Pilu. Who liked yellow things? Who liked yellow things, children? Pilu liked yellow things. What did Lalu eat one day?
Red chili.
Red chili. Lalu eat red chili one day. Chili is saying, I am hot. What did Pilu bring for Lalu? Pilu brought a yellow laddu. Yes, Pilu brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. And who kissed Pilu? Who kissed Pilu?
Mother hen.
Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pilu. So children, you must have seen that Lalu ate red chili. It was very hot and Pilu gave it laddu. So we will see some of the food items which are red and yellow in color. As you know, these are the names of some red things, red fruits and vegetables. Let's see. First is berries. Second one is carrot. You can either have red carrot or you can have orange carrot.
And this one.
Yes, this is red, but carrot can be orange also, and both are very, very healthy. It's very healthy food and excellent for your eyes. Next one is tomato. Aha, tomato, bada mazedar. It's also very healthy food. Next is apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple is very healthy. And last one is cherry. So, Lalu could have eaten any of these fruits instead of cherry. Okay. So, what are the fruits that Pilu liked? Pilu liked yellow things. Now, let's see some food items which are yellow in color. We will go basically for fruits and vegetables. And there is one different thing in it also. Let's see. Yes. Can you guess which fruit is this? First one is papaya. Papaya. Second one is banana. Everyone likes banana. Banana. Third one is mango. King of fruits. Mango. Next one is dal. That we should eat daily. Dal is also very healthy for us. And the next one is that Pilu brought for Lalu. What is that?
Laddu.
It's yellow, tasty, sweet laddu. Can you imagine? Can you guess one cartoon character which like laddu? And it makes him strong. Yes, Chota Bheem. Chota Bheem eats laddu and he becomes very strong. Now, as you know that we should have, there is one more color in the traffic light. What is that color? Green. So let's see some green fruits and vegetables. Yes. First one is cucumber. You should eat them as salad or you can eat as like it also. Second one is again its sister of red thing. Red chili, what is this? This is green chili. Next one is grapes. All of you must be liking this. It's very sweet, very juicy fruit. Cabbage. guava. Peas, small peas. Next one is pear. So children, you should eat green fruits and other fruits also, because fruits are very healthy. Now I will call Ruchi ma'am. She will tell you some more interesting facts about food items.
Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and following all the guidelines of COVID-19. Children, we have seen a wonderful presentation and story by Sonal ma'am. And she has shown so many delicious food items. I am feeling so hungry. Are you also feeling the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's find out what I'm having in my bag. Oh, my mommy has given this back to me. So what is this? Mommy has given me chips. Wow, chips. I love eating chips. Children, do you like eating these chips? Oh, mommy has given one more thing. Mommy has given these nuts also. What would you like to eat? Chips or nuts?
Chips.
I knew it. You would definitely selected chips. But children, do you know what I will prefer to eat? I will prefer nuts. Why nuts? I am going to tell you about different type of food items that we should eat and that we should avoid in our food. So today we will study about junk food and healthy food. So what is this junk food? We have heard it so many times, junk food, but what is this junk food? Junk food is like a junk. You know the meaning of junk? Junk means garbage, kachra. It is like, carrying everything in your body and it is not helping you out. It is junk food. It contains lots of fat, sugar, salt, and it is very bad for your health. Children, you must be very well aware about these pictures. Can you name them few? What are these? What you can see in this picture?
The cake.
Chocolate. Yes, you like eating chocolates and you always crave for cakes also. I knew it. These are few examples of junk food. I will show you your favorite things, few more favorite things. Burger. I know you always go to your parents and crave, "Maa, mujhe khana hai McD ka burger and Burger King ka burger along with cold drink." All these are junk food. Ice cream, pizza, these all are junk food. Ma'am is again and again saying that we should not eat it. I am saying you should not eat it. But you must be thinking, why we should not eat it? Why it is not healthy? It is so tasty. It is so scrumptious. And you crave for it always, every time. Why ma'am is saying no? I will tell you the reason for it. Can you see this picture? How this cartoon looks alike? It is fat. If you will eat so much of junk food, you will become like it. You will become fat. Too much sugar. Whenever you have ice creams, cakes, cookies and cold drink, it contains lot of sugar. And children, do you know consuming all these can decay your teeth? You can have cavities. So that's why we should not have junk food. Then it also contains so much of salt, like with French fries, burgers, pizzas. They contain a variety of salts and these are very harmful for our body. It affects our body functions. Then you must be thinking, ma'am is saying no to pizza, ma'am is saying no to burger, ma'am is saying no to everything what we like. Then what should we eat? Let me tell you. Here we go for healthy food. Now, what is healthy food? Children, you have seen so many food items by Sonal ma'am in the lesson Ramu and Pilu. Those food items are all healthy food. Let's see. A healthy food is a one that helps or maintain our good health. It helps in our growth. These are the examples. You know what are these? Vegetables, eggs, fish, chicken, meat, fruits and pulses. These all comprises healthy food. Do you know? According to a study, what doctor says, our plate, that the food we eat in a plate, it should contain a variety of colors. It should be colorful. It should not be monotonous. Why? Because every food color has different nutrients. It gives different variety of benefits to you. You know, red color makes your eyes healthy. This yellow color makes your joints healthy. This white color make you immune, to fight against diseases. And this purple colors improves your memory. So and the green one is very good for our overall health. So your meal should be a colorful one. Now, what are the benefits of healthy eating? You can manage your weight. You will not become fat slim. It will increase your energy level. You will not be lethargic. You will not be lazy. You will feel very highly energetic to do your work, to perform your activities, and it will also give you good health. Then your body is good. You are doing so much of work. Then what will happen? You will get tired also, and you will get a good sleep also. Because whenever we take so much of work from our body our body needs rest. And whenever we use our body for different physical exercises or perform with different physical functions, it gives us nice and good sleep. And in a way, it helps our body to grow strong and immune. Let us do an activity. We have seen so many food items. Let me show you few and I will ask you whether these are healthy food or unhealthy food, okay? Okay, let us start from the chips. What is this chips?
Junk food.
This is a junk food, unhealthy. When you will eat junk food, you will become like this packet of the chips. Mota, fatty, and andar se kuch nahi. So you should not have it. दोबारा कर दूं?
नहीं ठीक है।
ठीक है. What is this?
Apple.
Apple. An apple a day keeps doctor away. So where we will keep it? It is healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy food.
It is a healthy food. Now what I'm having? Chocolate. You all love eating it, isn't it? You all love it? What will happen? What will happen to your teeth? It will fall down. You will be having many cavities. So where should we keep it? Healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. So we will keep it here. Now what is this? Can anybody guess what is this? Dal. We call it pulse. We call it pulse. Pulses are very good. Ma'am has told you, no? Pulses are very good for your health. So it is healthy or unhealthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Where we will keep it?
Healthy.
Healthy food. We will keep it under healthy food. Now. Na, 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 na. What is this? Maggie. 2-minute noodle. What will happen to your body then? What will happen to your body? It will become stronger or weaker? It will become weaker. So it is a junk food. Will you eat Maggie now?
No, ma'am.
No, you will not have it. And what are these?
Nuts.
Nuts. Do you like nuts?
Yes, ma'am.
No, no, you should eat it. Though you are not liking it, but you should eat it. It is very good for your health. These are nuts and these are healthy food. And the last one is
Pizza.
Pizza. You all go to your parents and asking for it every time. Ma, pizza khana hai. But it is not good. Why this is not good? You must be asking. It is having vegetables. We can see so many vegetables over it. Isn't it? And ma'am, you has told us it is vegetables are good for health. Then why we should not eat pizza?
Cheese.
Cheese, very good. But cheese is very tasty. You know the bread over which these vegetables are put on? It is made up of refined flour. And this refined flour is called as maida in Hindi, is very, very, very harmful for our tummy and for our body. That's why, though it is having vegetables, we should not have pizza. So children, did you enjoy the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, so if you will eat healthy food, how will you look like? You will be like the smart and this cunning boy. He is so sharp, he is so active because he is having milk, he is having nuts, he is having all the vegetables, so he is becoming very active and healthy. And if you will have all the junk food, you will become like this. So you should not eat junk food. Children, let me talk to you a few things. है ना, थोड़ा सा बातचीत करते हैं. Do you know there was no junk food when your parents were small, when your grandparents were small? There was no pizza, there was no burger, there was no cold drink. Then what they used to eat? Only roti sabji. Is it so? No, they were having other options also. So today you will go home and ask your parents about what they used to eat when there was no junk food. Okay, we will discuss it tomorrow. See children, you have enjoyed this junk food and this healthy food. You must have been acquainted with all the food items. Let us sum up and enjoy this rhyme. नेट से कनेक्टेड है? नेट से कनेक्टेड है? नहीं।
The kid next door. What a healthy food. Let's find out. Healthy food, who are you?
I am the one that is good for you. I make you grow tall and strong and give you energy all day long.
And what is junk food? Let's ask about it. Junk food, who are you?
I am the one that is bad for you. I make you weak and very sick. You become lazy and are no more quick.
Once again, please. Healthy food, who are you?
I am the one that is good for you. I make you grow tall and strong and give you energy all day long.
Junk food, who are you?
I am the one that is bad for you. I make you weak and very sick. You become lazy and are no more quick.
So children, I think now you will not eat junk food much. थोड़ा थोड़ा खा सकते हैं, ज्यादा बिल्कुल भी नहीं खाना है। Okay. Now we are having a plate, right? What you need to do in this plate, you will draw your favorite food item. We are having sir with us. He can assist us in drawing your favorite food.
Good afternoon, students. How are you all?
We are fine, sir.
Okay. तो जैसे कि रुचि मैम आपको पढ़ा रही थी, जंक फूड एंड हेल्दी फूड। मैम ने आपको सारी चीज़ बताई कि जंक फूड में क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं और हेल्दी फूड में क्या क्या चीज़ें आती हैं। तो लास्ट में मैम ने हमें एक प्लेट दी है कि हमें उसके अंदर हेल्दी फूड कैसे बनाने हैं। तो वही मैं आपको सारे जितने भी हेल्दी फूड होते हैं मैं वो आपको बनाने सिखा रहा हूँ। ठीक है, सभी को पता है हमारी ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स कौन कौन सी होती हैं? क्या आप लोग शेयर कर सकते हैं? सर्कल, वेरी गुड। ट्रायंगल एंड rectangle and very good and square, very good। तो आज हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ 3 फिगर्स से मैं आपको वेजिटेबल बनाने सिखाऊंगा। ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम यूज करेंगे सर्कल, ट्रायंगल एंड रेक्टेंगल। क्लियर? ठीक। तो सबसे पहले हमें एक सर्कल बनाना है, क्लियर। उसके बाद इस सर्कल के अंदर हमें यहाँ से कर्व देना है इस टाइप, क्लियर। फिर एक नीचे की साइड से हमें कर्व देना है, ओके। फिर यहाँ पे इसकी स्टिक बनानी है, और अभी मैं इसको इरेज करके आपको दिखाता हूँ। ये क्या बन गया हमारा? एप्पल। अब सेकंड फिगर, ट्राइंगल। इस ट्राइंगल को हम हार्ट शेप में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। इसका सेंटर पॉइंट से मिला के उसमें हार्ट बनाएंगे, क्लियर। और हम इसमें इस टाइप से डॉट लगाएंगे। स्ट्रॉबेरी, वेरी गुड। लास्ट फिगर था हमारा रेक्टेंगल। इसको हमने ऐसे कर दिया, नीचे से ऐसे कर दिया, एंड दिस ये सभी हमारी क्या है? हेल्दी फूड, गुड फूड, जो हमें डेली की डेली खाने चाहिए। किस लिए? ताकि हम हेल्दी रह सके, ठीक है। तो आप इसी तरीके से, बहुत इजी तरीके से आप इन सभी को बना सकते हो। डेफिनेटली सभी बच्चों को बनाने में दिक्कत आती होगी कि सर ये शेप हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा, तो आप इन सभी हेल्प से, ट्रायंगल से, रेक्टेंगल से, स्क्वायर से, सर्कल से, इन सभी शेप से आप इनको फिगर्स को बहुत अच्छे से ड्राइंग कर सकते हो, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच। आई होप आप सभी को समझ आ गया होगा।
So, I hope you enjoy and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.
नमस्कार। केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 2 हिंडन के प्राथमिक विभाग के शिक्षकों के द्वारा मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी प्रोजेक्ट के अंतर्गत एक विषय को दूसरे विषय से जोड़कर पढ़ाने की एक नवीन योजना को प्रारंभ किया गया। शुरुआती दौर में इस कार्यक्रम को लेने में अध्यापकों को कुछ अड़चनें आ रही थी, क्योंकि एक विषय को दूसरे विषय के उसी कक्षा के अन्य पाठ से संबंधित पढ़ाने का निर्णय लिया गया। किंतु हमारे अध्यापकों ने कुछ अनुसंधान किया, पाठों को चिन्हित किया जिनका एक दूसरे से संबंध है, और हमारी बहुमुखी प्रतिभा की धनी प्राचार्य श्रीमती ज्योति पांडे के मार्गदर्शन एवं निर्देशन में इस कार्य को टीम टीचिंग के द्वारा सफलतापूर्वक क्रियान्वित किया गया। मैं अपने विद्यालय केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 2 हिंडन के सभी प्राथमिक शिक्षकों को बधाई देती हूँ कि जिनकी मेहनत से इस परियोजना को सफलतापूर्वक प्राप्त किया गया। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस कार्य के द्वारा हमारे प्राथमिक विभाग के सभी विद्यार्थियों में उच्चतर ज्ञान की प्राप्ति परिलक्षित होगी। धन्यवाद।